Alright, well, me and Evan just went to go start my truck. Actually, I went to go start this morning. Wouldn't turn over. Hooked the battery pack up to it all day. Wouldn't turn over. Hooked the boost pack up to it. Wouldn't turn over. Well, I just found out both my batteries are completely shot. So me and Evan just got it all out of the piece of shit. And we're ready to head. We're going to Moncton to go get new batteries. Well, I got to... turbo hiding back there. And then... those are the batteries pulled out of it. Like, these things are massive. Ton rip.
One of these times, there we go.
Alright, well, me and Evan are at the battery house up in Moncton. Because, like, it's the cheapest place you can buy batteries at. So, we're gonna run in and make sure Buddy still got the batteries. Because I called before I came. And then, hopefully go home and get the truck running. Because I need to get fixed while I'm in Cuba so we can haul. Because I got snapped tie rods on it, so.
Yeah, but it's not moving from the driveway unless we get some new batteries to go to the shop, so.
Yeah. Well, we got the batteries. Was
$300.
yeah, it was kind of pricey. I mean, they're big batteries, and I needed 2 of them because my truck has a dual battery.
They gave us a good deal, though.
Yeah, they gave me a good deal, and I also got 3-year warranty on them, so if they get shot, I get new ones. But now we gotta head back to Nova Scotia and hopefully get this truck running.
Fucking chow!
Gotta let small downs. Oh, me and Evan are in the Super Duty. The batteries do work. So, right now we're bringing it down to our local shop because I need to get tie rods put on this thing while I'm in Cuba. In my room. We should get that before we go. So, we gotta get the tie rods on this so we can tell. Anyway, we'll be back.